return to the arena for the epic battles you love in Ridley Scott's latest masterpiece, Gladiator 2. Grab your tickets now and prepare to be entertained. Only in theaters November 22nd. And live, New Amsterdam Vodka. 5-time distilled and 3-time filtered. New Amsterdam is in your corner with award-winning vodka. And now, this fight is 5 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a mixed martial artist, holding professional